Everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Ram 2500 Power Wagon, and this thing is powerful. It has a HEMI engine, and then it also has great features like a tow package, bed liner, and tons in the interior. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior. I'm going to first point out the running board over on your driver's side, so it's super handy to help you get up into the front and the back seat. Love the two-tone with the white and the black just everywhere throughout the vehicle. It really makes everything stand out really nicely. You have your Ram badging in the middle of your grill there, and then you have 2 tow hooks, your front sensing system, and a winch in the front. Then you have your headlamps, fog lamps, of course, and you have a 6.4 liter V8 HEMI engine. I also love the decal on the hood there. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. And then you have your HEMI and your Ram 2500 heavy duty badging on the side. And your side mirrors have indicator lights on them. They are powered and heated, and you have towing mirrors as well. Looking at these front seats, we have these gray seats. I love the tread pattern right there in the middle. It's really nice. And you have your Power Wagon embroidered on the side, and they are heated, power adjustable as well. Then looking at your steering wheel, it's leather wrapped. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. Then looking over at your 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen media center, you have your radio options with all of your presets. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio. You have your media controls here, your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel. You also have a backup camera there, so you can easily line up a trailer, use that to back out of spots, and you have your cargo cam as well. So this is really nice, so you can keep track of everything that's in your bed. You can see it has a bed cover on right now. So you have your apps with Uconnect on these pages, your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And then you have your navigation system, which will take you right to your destination with turn-by-turn directions. And then here you have your phone settings, so you can make phone calls, text messages right there. So you have your radio controls, climate controls in button form. You have your front and back sensing system, your heated buttons there, tow haul mode, traction control, hill descent, and your trailer brake with all of your axle, your sway bar buttons on that side, and a 115 volt on the other with a 12 volt and a USB port. You have your 4-wheel drive here and 3 cup holders down below, but 3 more up top, so you don't have to worry about running out of room for all of your beverages. Then looking inside of your center console, you have a USB port, aux port, and a 12 volt. This does seat a third person in this front seat, and you have more room down below. This also has an Alpine sound system for that amazing amplified sound, and you have your 911 assist, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls to your power sliding rear window and your sunroof, so you can let a nice breeze flow throughout the truck. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest, which you can fold down to have 2 cup holders, but there are also 2 more cup holders in the floor there. This is split bench, so you have your subwoofer on that side, storage space on this side, and this can fold out to have a flat surface in your back. Plus you have these 2 compartments in your floor, so you can take them out and utilize them. It's nice to have stuff not rolling around back here. Love this Power Wagon decal on the side. It really stands out nicely. And you also have these lockable Ram box units on the side, so you can keep stuff in there, keep it locked, keep it safe, and you don't have to worry about taking it inside wherever you go. You have your LED tail lamps back here, and then your Ram Power Wagon just big and bold on the back of your tailgate. You also have that rear sensing system and your tow package with your hookups. And then looking into the bed, you have your bed cover up top, bed liner, and that cargo divider, as well as tie-down hooks on the sides. So overall, incredible truck, super powerful, just like the name tells you right there. And then you have your heated seats at Media Center. I mean, what more is there to love? So check us out on our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit.
It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.